Welcome to Auto Show the channel where we dive deep into the latest and greatest in the world of automobiles. Today, we're taking a closer look at a vehicle that's redefining how we think about road trips, adventure, and living on the go, the 2025 Nissan Camper van. Whether you're a weekend warrior, a full-time van lifer, or someone who just loves the idea of taking your home wherever you roam, this van has something special for you. So, stick around because you're not going to want to miss what this beauty has to offer. Let's start with its stunning design. Nissan has crafted a camper van that's as practical as it is stylish. The sleek exterior doesn't just turn heads, it's designed with aerodynamics in mind to maximize efficiency. The bold front grille, LED lighting, and striking lines make it look modern and rugged, ready for city streets or off-road trails. It's not just about appearances, though. This camper van is built with durability and versatility at its core, featuring a reinforced chassis and elevated ground clearance for those who love to explore beyond the beaten path. Interior. Step inside, and you'll see where the real magic happens. The 2025 Nissan Camper van is all about making the most of your space. Every inch of the interior is designed for functionality and comfort. The living area is equipped with high-quality materials that balance durability with a premium feel. You'll find seating that doubles as storage, a foldable dining table, and a sleeping area that can accommodate up to 4 people. The modular design allows you to rearrange the space to suit your needs, whether you're working remotely, sharing a meal, or getting some well-deserved rest after a day of adventuring. One of the standout features of this camper van is its kitchen setup. Compact yet fully equipped, it includes a 2-burner stove, a sink with running water, and a small refrigerator. Whether you're cooking a quick snack or a full meal, this kitchen has everything you need. There's also ample cabinet space for storing food, utensils, and cookware, ensuring you never feel cramped or unprepared while on the road. Technology is another area where the 2025 Nissan Camper van shines. Nissan has packed this vehicle with smart features to enhance your travels. A state-of-the-art infotainment system keeps you connected with navigation, entertainment, and weather updates. Multiple USB ports and wireless charging pads ensure your devices are always powered up. For those who like to stay connected, optional satellite Wi-Fi ensures you're never out of reach, even in the most remote locations. Let's not forget about power and sustainability. The 2025 Nissan Camper van comes with a hybrid powertrain, blending fuel efficiency with the ability to handle long distances. For those who prefer a greener option, there's also an all-electric version available, complete with a solar panel system on the roof to recharge your batteries while you're off-grid. This means you can enjoy extended stays in nature without worrying about running out of power. Safety is a top priority in any vehicle, and Nissan doesn't disappoint. The camper van comes with advanced driver assistance features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera system to make driving and parking a breeze. Whether you're navigating busy streets or tight campgrounds, you'll feel confident and secure behind the wheel. So, why choose the 2025 Nissan Camper van? Because it's more than just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle upgrade. It offers the freedom to explore, the comfort of home, and the technology to stay connected, all wrapped up in a stylish, eco-friendly package. If you're ready to embrace adventure without compromising on comfort, this camper van is the perfect choice for you. Thank you for watching Auto Show. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on the latest updates in the automotive world. Let us know in the comments what you think of the 2025 Nissan Camper van and where you'd take it on your first adventure. Until next time, happy travels.